Hello everybody, this is Avery Harris coming with another video. This video is going to be how to make money with selling your ringtones. Now, for some people, some artists or other people that are interested in music, selling ringtones online might be a very good idea for you. It'll also should be an easy way to help advertise yourself to new people that can, hear snippets of your song and hopefully draw more people to your actual, either if you have a website or you have a YouTube page or whatever. So what we are going to do is start by typing in make money selling ringtones. All right, as you can see, I've already put that down. So what we're going to do is go straight to the second one of Snipsell. The number one place, I'm including place, but I'm assuming the number one place to distribute and sell ringtones on iTunes and Android. Just where we want to go, iTunes and Android, one of the biggest places to sell. Okay, so let's scroll down and we can see a picture. It says your ringtone here, your ringtone for a certain amount of money. And as you can see on PayPal, you made a certain amount of money. Distribute and sell ringtones to millions of devices like iPhone and Samsung. Join music professionals and newcomers. Easy, fast, worldwide. Start free now. Next payouts, June 11th, 2016. It is June 9th, 2016, today. So their next payouts apparently their payouts must be on the 11th of every month. But as you can see, it also says start upload, and the sound can be either a sound or a video from 1 to 29 seconds. So we'll try to make sure ours is 29 seconds. As you can see, it already says choose from device or record. You can put in your title for iTunes, your artist name. Then you choose your deal, which starts off as the beginner, which is 55% of the payout, which means you get 55% and the website gets 45%, and that's free for a limited offer. Independent is 80% of the payout, and a release guarantee, which is 20% per month. You got to pay them $20 starting off, and they'll release it on iTunes, and they'll get also 20% of the payout. You can resell it, the reseller plan, which is 90% of the payout, release guarantee, and it also is $35 a year. You sell your tone worldwide on iTunes, iTunes.co, and future ringtone stores. And then you send your royalties and reports to whatever email you would like that to be on. This payout for this ringtone will be July 11th. And you agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Okay, submit, check out. You got options, which is cover image, FAQ, terms of imprint, as seen on these places. So let's try this out. I believe I have a ringtone that is 29 seconds. It might be a little bit over 29 seconds, but it's not 30 seconds. So I'm hoping that it's not a little bit too over. So what we'll do is go to my computer, choose file. Let's go ahead and choose file, ringtone. Okay. So we just uploaded ringtone. I'm hoping that this works. Let's choose a name. I see, which is what the ringtone name is, and my name is Avery Harris. And let's start with the beginner. It says on the side, it says at Snipsell, you choose the deal. If you're trying to Snipsell for the first time, you may prefer free review deal. For example, in the US, a ringtone is sold for $129. iTunes proceeds $1 to us. Snipsell proceeds 80 or 60 of that dollar to you. That's the big / free deal. So iTunes sell it for $129 and it gets 29 cents from up top. So when it goes to Snipsell, they get their money, and then after that, you get your money. Very simple. So as it says, I have my record device, which is IC. Avery Harris. I'm going with the beginner. You can sell it on iTunes, itunes.co. Type in my email and PayPal methods and all that. This payout, I agree to the terms. You can look at the terms. You can download it right here. Leave a comment, submit checkout. Options for a cover image. I would like a cover image. That's the minimum. Jeez. 1600 by 1600 is kind of big. Especially for that to be the minimum. But let's see if I can take my sound from here. Release date says it needs at least 24 to 72 hours. So it's Thursday. Let's see if we can just go with Friday. Label name. Release countries worldwide. Snipsell Media Group. It's not Snipsell Media Group. Leave blank and benefit from our network, or type your own individual label or name. So if we want to just leave it as Snipsell Media Group, that might help us out even more. But I already have a name to put in, which is Music Pro Beats. So let's leave that. How do you like us? You want to leave feedback? I don't know yet. I don't know. But I will say online. I heard about you online. So who should know about Snipsell? The world. Man, okay, whatever. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's look at any frequently asked questions. What is Snipsell? Worldwide publishing and distribution service for musicians, producers, and talented people that create sounds or videos. Okay. We focus on short sounds and effects. Most of them are used as ringtones, text tones, or alarm clock on smartphones like an Apple iPhone. What happens when I hit the submit button? Your sound will then be reviewed by our team for a quick format and content checkup. When everything is okay, we will send it to the iTunes ringtone store. We will contact you to adjust your upload. If not, we will contact you to adjust your upload. Where do my sounds sell? On iTunes store as ringtones. Okay. What sounds do you recommend? Basically any sound that is appropriate to be a ringtone. Beeps, swooshes, vocals, sound effects, yes, even burps or comedy stuff. Okay. How much do I get paid for sounds? You get 80 to 90% of what iTunes pays out. Currently, that's 80 to 90 cents per download. When choosing the payment plan of no charge, you'll see 55%, which is what I'm going to be receiving for that one. What happens to my rights of my recording? We're doing independent deal. You keep all your rights. You decide year by year if you want to continue distributing your sound, cancel whenever you want. When being accepted, free deal. Decide by year if you want to keep it. It's always fair play. How do I receive royalties and payments? With PayPal. Register if you don't have an account yet. All royalty money we collect for you will be sent to your PayPal account on a monthly basis, week 1 to 2 of a new month. Can I see trends data in advance? Sure. We are currently sending out trends data on two weekly basis to your email address. week 1 and 3 of a month. This is the trend data, not sales data, so it might differ to your final figures. Okay, do you have any tips and guidelines? Go to the Snipsell release and guidelines. Got it. Terms and imprint. Okay, so we did all that, so let's go ahead and submit and check out. Submission completed. What's next? Your snippet is now on its way. We will give a quick review to proceed it to the store. Current release time, medium high traffic, 1 week for ringtones. Please find your ringtone on iTunes or iPhone only on tunes.co. Okay, we will automatically provide trend data, earning reports. First payouts will be forwarded 1 to 2 months before going online. All reports and payments. Okay. What I need to know is, I guess when they give you your email, they just said they just sent an email. So I'm assuming once they send me this email, and maybe this will have more information. So, okay, we're here. So this is your automatic confirmation of snipsell.com. Thanks for uploading IC by Avery Harris to our service. Your Snipsell sound is... Okay, your submission has been received. Your snippet is now on its way. We will give a quick review and proceed it to the stores. Current iTunes release time, medium, high traffic, 1 week. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Snipsell, support at snipsell.com. Make it sound, sell big. Okay, so we have at least a week from what it sounds like before this ringtone is actually up for sale. The only thing I'm trying to find out is, since you don't make an account or anything, I'm assuming that they'll give you another email once things go through. Because as of right now, they don't know my PayPal. Like, they don't know how to sell it, send the money to me, because they don't have my PayPal account yet. All right, so what I'm going to do now is basically wait until I get an email from Snipsell in regards to my ringtone, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back now, and I just received this email. I actually got it the next day, but I'm actually just seeing it right now. So it says, hey, thanks for choosing snipsell.com to be your partner. We just listened in. It's a good tune. After careful consideration, we recommend to switch to the independent deal. Unfortunately, the sound does not fit the current free deal repertoire at this time. The independent deal is an ideal option for you if you want to manage to sell your sound 25 times in 365 days. Submit to iTunes and Tunes by jumping into the independent deal now. And there you have a link right back to pretty much where, I'm assuming it's right where I was already. And obviously it says what we already know, which is 80%, $20 a year, speed up your submission, no re-upload necessary. Have any questions on that? I'm happy to help. Andy. Thanks, Andy. All right, so let's just go click on the link just to click on it and see where it takes us. Invitation to upgrade. Jump to the big deal. Get paid more. Cancel anytime. Continue seamlessly. My payouts and pricing. Upgrade to the independent. No thank you. For Snipsell item ID. And by the artist ID, which is your email.com. And we have police going in the background. Submit with the independent deal in order to quickly proceed to your sound to iTunes. If it's already live, we will raise your payout percentage. Need any help? Go to the support and I can upgrade now. But I also would have to put in, put in a credit card because I didn't put in a credit card yet. Let's see, about more info, Snipsell, all that other stuff. Okay, so I don't know if it's because my ringtone was longer, because it's from 1 second to 29 seconds. So maybe after it gets a certain point, it does that. I have no idea. But I think I will go ahead and stop this one right now, and I will show a different website that you can show. I'll stop here where I'm at with this particular website, and when I come back for the next video, I'll show another website to sell ringtones on, which is actually called TuneCore. So I'll be back with basically a showcasing on that later. Once again, this is Avery Harris. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, share with a friend. Thanks for watching.